Yo, it's Chris O. Yeah, I've just moved out of this. It's time to go home now. I've done this bathroom. Tomorrow I start another bathroom. In the afternoon I'll come back and I'll pop this door on. I've got to trim it down. There's the splashback that I did, and through here. So I've packed away all my tools. The painter's got another couple of days to go. This is the ensuite, and if anyone saw what it was like before, it's quite a modern transformation. I love the mirrors now, with the light. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so I'll put on these. We're waiting for a screen to come in to the other one that I've just showed you. But yeah, this is it's not a huge ensuite, but it's nice. Like, what is it? What would it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5.5 square meters on the floor. So it's not a hugey. It's sort of average size. In the houses in this area. Okay. Thumbs up, people. Subscribe to my channel. You'll learn heaps. We'll see you on the flip side.